Hi guys! Welcome once again sa ating vlog 110. Imagine, it's already 110. And for our vlog today, bibigyan natin ng titulong Ikaw ang missing piece ng kwento. So we'll be focusing on reader response theory. Okay? Once again, shout out sa mga friends natin out there. So, kilala nyo naman ako. Ako si Mr. P. Oteleg, mas kilalang Dr. P. At welcome sa isang short vlog kung saan ikaw mismo ang bida. Ikaw ang bida. Hindi si author, hindi si narrator, kundi reader ka. Okay? So, this is vlog 110. Review. So, kung akala mo dati, Sir, Ma'am, ano po ang tamang interpretation? Okay, bad news, walang iisang sagot. Good news, hindi ka mali agad. Hindi ka mali agad. So today, we'll unpack reader response theory gamit ang 21st century literature module natin. Okay? Plus konting chika, konting realization, at konting, hala, ako pala yun. So, what is this review about? Ang goal natin, scrutinize literary texts using reader response criticism and understand how meaning is created by the reader. Ang ibig sabihin, hindi lang text ang gumagalaw. Ikaw rin. As Tyson said, yes, may quote tayo, scholarly tayo today, no? The reader actively makes meaning, sabi ni Tyson. The reader actively makes meaning. So kung antok ka habang nagbabasa, congrats. Part ka pa rin ng theory. Okay? Quick refresh dun sa elements of a story. Naalala ninyo? So before tayo mag-deep dive, quick throwback. Plot, ano ang nangyari? Setting, saan at kailan? Characters, sino ang involved? Conflict, problema, yes, parang buhay lang, ang daming problema. Theme, pinupunto ng kwento. Pero sabi ng reader response theory, hindi sapat na alam mo yan. Mas mahalaga kung paano mo sila nararamdaman. So applying reader response, just like in what we studied, motherhood statements, no? So let's talk about motherhood statements by Hilda Cordero, dun sa module natin. Hilda Cordero Fernando. Okay, featured mismo yan dun sa pinag-aralan natin. The essay talks about gender roles.